Do you know thousands of years ago, when there were no vaccines available, what was given to children to protect them against various diseases, to develop their immunity? What was given to children who had delayed milestones, autism, impaired speech, learning difficulties? Well, today, when the whole world is badly hit by this pandemic, it's imperative to talk about health and immunity, which we are already doing. But we need to understand that we need to focus on this health and immunity at the right age, right time, and that is right at the time of birth. We need to talk about this, we need to focus on this right from the childhood. Years ago, when the vaccines for the specific diseases were not there, there was an important, unique Ayurvedic ritual which was followed in a child's life right from the time of birth to give that immunity power to the child, to protect the child against various infections, diseases, for a better physical and mental growth of the child. Ayurveda talks about 16 different rituals in a child's life, and one of the ritual is very important because it's directly related to the child's health, and Ayurveda has always given importance to the health first. So there is a very important ritual in a child's life according to Ayurveda, and that ritual is called Swarn Bindu Prashan Sanskar or Swarn Prashan or Swarn Bindu Prashan. So this Swarn Prashan is very important for the child's health, for the physical, mental and spiritual well-being of the child, because a healthy, happy child is the future of a healthy, happy, developed nation. So we need to focus on this Swarn Bindu Prashan once again. So this Swarn Bindu Prashan was a ritual which was followed as a tradition in those days. It's high time we bring back this tradition and make it today's trend, because we really need it today. So today's video is all about this Swarn Bindu Prashan. So to know anything and everything about this Swarn Bindu Prashan, please do watch my video till the end. So welcome to Ayurved Bharat, and I'm Dr. Rashmi Sharma. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor practicing in Bangalore. So what exactly is this Swarn Bindu Prashan? So Swarn Bindu Prashan is clearly mentioned in the ancient Ayurveda classical text, where it says that this is a unique, age-old Ayurvedic immunization technique, an Ayurvedic formulation which was given to children right at the time of birth till the age of 16 to give them that immunity, that protection against various diseases, various infections, for their better brain growth and development. This Swarn Bindu Prashan was the only but the most efficient way to protect the children against various infections in those days when there were no vaccines available. And you see, though it was written thousands of years ago, but this Swarn Bindu Prashan, it holds its relevance and authenticity even more today, especially at the time of this pandemic. That is why we need to bring it back in our child's life again. So this is high time we bring back this tradition, make it a trend today, so that we can save the children from getting infections, unwanted infections like COVID-19 and many other infections which may come in future. Now, what are the contents of this Swarn Bindu Prashan? So it can be divided into three parts. The first one, as the name suggests, Swarn. So there is a gold ash in the purified and the processed form. Ayurveda believes that this gold is the best medicine for the better brain development and better brain functioning. The second content is the clarified butter, that is the ghee from the local cow origin. This clarified butter is infused with powerful potential Ayurvedic herbs which are very good immunomodulators and brain tonic, like Ashwagandha, Guruchi, Vacha, Yashti Madhu, Brahmi, Mandukparni, Shankh Pushpi. So this ghee is used because Ayurveda believes that this ghee has a wonderful property, that it acquires the property of whatever is mixed or infused into it, thereby allowing the maximum absorption and assimilation of the nutrients which are present in these herbs. That is why this infused ghee is used here. And the third content is honey. Ayurveda believes that this honey has a unique property of traveling to and through the channels, thereby taking this medicine to each and every cell of the body. Honey also develops the resistance against the different pollens and allergens. Now, whom to give this Swarn Bindu Prashan? So this Swarn Bindu Prashan can be given right at the time of birth till the age of 16 to all the children. When can this Swarnbindu Prashan be given to the children? So there are two ways. The first one is that it can be given daily, once in the morning, empty stomach to the child, continuously for 6 months to 1 year, and then on it can be given just once in a month, that is on Pushya Nakshatra day, which comes once in every 27 days. This Pushya Nakshatra is considered one of the most auspicious day according to Ayurveda to administer any kind of medicine to the child to have the maximum benefits of that medicine. The other way is that it can be given once on the day of Pushya Nakshatra, morning empty stomach, right from the time of the birth till the age of 16. So basically this Swarnbindu Prashan has to be followed right from the time of birth till the age of 16, because this is the period of maximum physical and mental growth in a child's life. Now, what is the dosage of this Swarnbindu Prashan? So it's clearly mentioned in the Ayurveda text according to the age of the child. So the Ayurvedic doctor will give according to the age of the child. Now this Swarnbindu Prashan is available in the form of liquid drops, paste and dispersible tablets. Now comes the last part of the video, but the most important part, that is the benefits of Swarnbindu Prashan. So the first and the foremost benefit of the Swarnbindu Prashan is that it develops the immunity, it gives protection against various infections and diseases. It is very important for the proper brain development and brain functioning, and that is why it is very much effective in cases of autism, delayed milestones, impaired speech, hyperactive kids and kids with learning difficulties. This Swarnbindu Prashan is very important because it improves metabolism, digestion, sleep, memory power, grasping power, the power to analyze. It improves the intellect. So this Swarnbindu Prashan, it improves the tone of the skin, the complexion of the skin, the texture of the hair. So basically this Swarnbindu Prashan is very important for the overall growth of the child, the physical, mental and the spiritual growth of the child. So I definitely recommend that every child should be administered with this Swarnbindu Prashan so that they can be saved from unwanted infections, virus, bacteria and many other infections which may come in future. As of now, when we don't have any corona vaccine available for the age group below 18, we can use this Ayurvedic immunization technique, this Ayurvedic vaccine, to save the children, to protect them against the diseases, because this will develop the immunity against various infections and diseases, and we need this immunity backup to fight against infections not only now but also in the upcoming future. I strongly believe that this Swarnbindu Prashan should be a part of the immunization schedule. This Ayurvedic vaccine should be given to children with the other specific vaccines. If you find this video informative, please do like, subscribe and share as much as you can so that the maximum children can get the benefits of this Swarnbindu Prashan. Thank you so much for watching. So please do take care of your immunity at the right time, right age, and that is childhood. Take care.